Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new exercise 2.6. This exercise is based on a topic multiplication of decimal. So we will understand the topic multiplication of decimal by solving this exercise. So exercise 2.6, and today we are going to start our new topic multiplication of decimals. So to understand this topic, we will take question number 1, first part. Question number 1, first part is 0.2 into 6. So there are some steps to solve, to do multiplication of decimal. So I am writing these steps here. Step number 1, first we have to convert decimals into fraction. Second step, multiplying fractions. Third step, convert the answer obtained in fraction into decimal. So let's use this step to solve this question. First step is convert decimal into fraction. So here first we will convert this decimal into fraction, 0.2 into 6. So to convert this decimal into fraction, we will remove this decimal, and in place of this decimal we will put 1. After decimal there is only one digit, so we will put 10 in the denominator. Now we will multiply this fraction, multiplying this fraction. So to multiply this fraction, you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into 6 and 10 into 1. 2 into 6 is 12 by 10. Now the answer we obtained is in fraction. We have to convert this fraction into a decimal. So to convert this fraction into a decimal, we have to put decimals in numerator. Here in denominator there is 10, so we will put decimal after one digit in numerator, and we will start counting our digit from backward. So this is 12. There is 10 in the denominator, so we will put digit after we will put decimal after one digit. So we will count from backward. This 1 and this is 1.2. Let's take one more part to understand it more clearly. Let's take sixth part. Sixth part is 211.02 into 4. So first step is to convert this decimal into a fraction, 211.02 into 4. Same thing, we will remove this decimal, and in place of this decimal we will put 1 in the denominator. After decimal there are two digits in the numerator, so we will put 2 zeros in the denominator. Second step, we will multiply this fraction with each other. So 21,102 into 4 divided by 100. So we will multiply 21,102 into 4 is 84,408. Now in the denominator there are 2 zeros, so we will put decimal after 2 digits in the numerator and we will start counting digits from the back, from the right hand side. So here 84408, so we will count a digit from backward or from right hand side. So there are 2 0 1 2, so answer is 844.08. Now let's do question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So we have given length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 5.7 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 3 centimeter. We have to find area of rectangle. We know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 5.7 and breadth is 3. So we will multiply, same thing, we will convert this decimal into a fraction. So it will become 57 by 10 into 3. Now we will multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 57 into 3 is 171 by 10. Now in the denominator there is only 1 0, so we will put decimal after 1 digit in the numerator counting from backward. So it will become 1. So 17.1 centimeter square, because we are finding area and a unit of area is centimeter square. Now let's take question number 3. Here in this question, in all parts a decimal is multiplied with a 10, either 10 or 100 or 1000. So let's do this. Let's take first part, 1.3 into 10. So question number 3. Find 1.3 into 10. So here same thing, to multiply a decimal with a number or a decimal with a number, procedure will remain the same. These steps will remain same. First we have to convert a decimal into a fraction, then we will multiply fraction and then we will convert the answer into a decimal. So same thing here, we will convert this decimal into a fraction. So this 1.3, how to convert this decimal into a fraction? First we will remove this decimal and in place of this decimal we will write 1 in the denominator, and after decimal there is only 1 digit, so we will write 1 0 in the denominator. Next multiply by 10. So we will cut this 10 with this 10 and the answer is 13. Let's take one more part to understand it more clearly. It's sixth part. 156.1 into 100. 156.1 into 100. Same thing. First we will convert this decimal into a fraction. So 156.1 into 100. So to convert this decimal into a fraction, we will remove this decimal and in place of this decimal we will write 1 in the denominator. After decimal there is only 1 digit, so we will write 1 0 in the denominator. Now we will simplify this. This 0 and this 1 0 get cancelled out. We get 1561 into 10. So answer is 15,610. Let's take one more part. 12th part. 0.03 into 1000. So same thing, we will convert this decimal into a fraction. So to convert this decimal into a fraction, we will remove this decimal, and in place of this decimal we will write 1 in the denominator, and after decimal there are 2 digits in the numerator, so we will write 2 zeros in the denominator. Now we will simplify this. It will become 3 upon 100 into 1000. So we will cut this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. So we get 3 into 10. So answer is 30. So all the remaining part of question number 1 and all the remaining part of question number 3 are your homework. That's all for today. Thank you.